friends, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. So glad that you joined me today. Well, today we're going to be making an announcement board for a bride-to-be wedding shower. So I hope you'll stay tuned because I'm going to show you step by step how I put this one together. I've picked up this frame with a plastic front instead of a glass front. I actually picked this one up from Walmart. The sizing on it is a 20-inch by 28. I also picked up some Easy Line. This right here is some adhesive. I guess you could call this, it's like that contact paper that sticks to your cabinets to line your cabinets with. I've also picked up a balloon arch kit, and then a stem of roses and a stem of eucalyptus. But those are the items that we're going to need to start off this project. As you can see, we've removed the cardboard from the frame, and now we're going to get ready to add the adhesive liner to it. And I'm using the same size liner that I did for the frame. It's a 20-inch, so that should make this project fairly easy for us. So I took my roll and I laid it out here on top of the cardboard, and we're going to take the backing off of it and then give it a cut, even it all out. I've laid my pattern out, and now I'm going to go ahead and hot glue it on. And I purchased one of these balloon arch kits. This one has like 26 balloons in it, but I'm going to take the stripping that they include in it, the clear stripping here that you put the balloons in, I'm going to cut it in half to where it just stretches across the top of this right here. Okay, I've got the balloons all attached there. I'm waiting for my sign that says bride to be. I had to put a coat of white paint on it, and I'm waiting for that to dry. And once it dries, we're going to hot glue it to the board.